So if you're watching this video, maybe you purchased a soldering iron kit and it came with this thing called the high purity rosin and you're not quite sure how to use it. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use it to make your solder much better. If you're new to my channel, I have a website at kevinwoodrobotics.com where I have a bunch of resources on robotics and computer vision. So check it out and subscribe to learn more. So this is a soldering iron kit that I got from Amazon that came with the high purity rosin. It works pretty well. I'll drop a link down in my description, so go ahead and check it out if you want to get one yourself. Okay, so when you first get this high purity rosin and you open it, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like a bit of a gel type of texture. So what I found that works best is if you take your soldering iron, go ahead and start melting the high purity rosin and dip your cable in there so that it can start coating it with the liquid. Okay, so now that you have your cable coated with the high purity rosin, go ahead and get your solder. Start to put the solder onto the iron tip to melt it, and then take that ball of solder and try to coat it across the cable. And what you can do is just kind of rub the iron tip across to evenly coat the solder. And you can see here that as I move it along, it starts to evenly distribute the solder and it starts to form a nice even coating of the solder across the entire wire. All right, so if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.